I figured I would just record this and document possibly the last time I'd ever visit a gas station to fill up. Possibly the last time I have to say no to this. No receipt. Alright, so this is it. This is the last time I will be driving Kaylee, my Ford Focus ST. Just found a buyer. Listed the car for $14,500, which is, and with the actual winter set of tires and wheels, which is an extra, like, I don't know, I would say an extra, maybe, that's $800 or something like that. To me, it was right around there, maybe a little bit more. I didn't want to go with, I wanted to be around 14 grand, but, you know, 13.5 is what we came up with, and that's what we agreed upon. And, yeah. I will be driving the Tesla Model 3 full time now and won't be paying this insurance anymore. So yeah, it's great to finally get this done, but it's sad to see this car go, because it's been with this car for the last 6 years. Shedded some blood, sweat, and tears for this thing, and took this car to the track and autocross and, you know, road trips and different things like that. So yeah, it's been a really good car, and I haven't had any issues with it other than really what I've inflicted upon it. So stock, it's been a perfectly good car, and yeah, I will be sad to see it go, sad to no longer have a manual transmission car. And yeah, it's sort of a bittersweet thing. It's moving on to not necessarily bigger, better things, but, you know, more advanced technology, different things like that. So yeah, it'll be sad to not see this car in the driveway anymore, and sad to not drive manual, but I'm sure eventually my knees will give out and I'll be glad to have an automatic car. And yeah, we'll see what that Tesla Model 3 track's like. And yeah, I'm really not sentimental about things, but it'll be sad to see this car go, just because, you know, of all the videos that I've created with it and all the stress or fun that it's put me through too. So yeah, it'll be sad to see it go, but on to bigger, better things. And yeah, sadly, electrification doesn't really come with a manual transmission, but yeah, I mean, we'll see what they have in the future, and hopefully, you know, self-driving cars will make the world, and electric cars will make the world a little bit more cleaner and safer for people being transported through this method. So anyways, that's just wanted to share this experience, and I listed it on a few different things: Facebook, Craigslist, and cars.com. And this person came over from Michigan to actually buy it. So yeah, thanks Tyler, and hopefully you enjoy the car as much as I have. And that's all for this video. is done. Car's on the trailer. Heading back to Michigan. Oh, but that blue. The blue on blue. This is a little bit more like royal blue. Is it royal blue or like sky blue? But yeah. Sorry, sad to see Kaylee go. Bye bye.